Guys, what's up? Okay, so today we are in my bathroom and you already know what we're doing because I'm sure you already saw the thumbnail, you already saw the title, and we are going to be, we're going to be styling my hair today with the, I don't really even know the name, I know it's the Revlon blow dryer brush. The Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer hot air brush. Okay? So you've probably seen this talked about quite a bit recently. Maybe not like recently, but it was like a month ago and I'm just really late. Like a month ago, this was booming. I feel like everybody was buying one, everyone was getting one. And I'm like, you know what? If this will make it easier for me to do my hair, if it's gonna look real bouncy, if it's gonna look a little 90s, like a little 90s Friends Monica Bob, without having to pull out my curling iron every time, then I'm with it. I've never gotten a blowout before. I literally never even go to a hair salon. But a friend of mine who's actually a hairstylist said that she uses this on her hair once a week when she washes it, because obviously you don't wash your hair every single day. And for me, once or twice a week sounds about right. To do this hairstyle, I use a comb, a hair tie, I use some leave-in conditioner and heat protectant. I'll talk about this in a second. And some hair rollers to add that volume, to add that bounce. Also some hairspray, but mine fell on the floor, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I style my short hair using this tool, and then towards the end or like somewhere in the middle, I'm gonna tell you guys all about how I feel like it's worked for me. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first I'm gonna go ahead and take this Pureology Color Fanatic Multitasking Leave-In Spray. 21 benefits. Yes boys, your 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash has nothing on this baby right here. It's supposed to prime, protect, and perfect. So it's supposed to help your color stay vibrant if you have color treated hair, detangles, makes blow drying easier. Am I cross-eyed? Maybe. Helps prevent split ends, breakage, protects from heat damage, smooths out the surface, creates silkiness, seals hair cuticles, reduces dryness, controls frizz, and refreshes hair, adds shine. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. My hair is damp but not soaking wet. It's like a little bit dried, so I'm just gonna spray. I smell good. I think that was my doorbell. I thought that was my package from Pretty Little Thing. I guess not, but you guys are gonna get a Pretty Little Thing haul very, very soon, so stay ready. And you're gonna get a thrift haul. We do a little bit of both here. A little bit of both. Once you've got that all detangled, you've got your heat protected in, you're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning off the hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the bottom section first. I don't get too crazy with the sectioning. I kind of just hope for the best. Did you hear my knee pop? Just so you know this ahead of time, this thing is huge. It's very, very big. So if you have shorter hair than mine, I don't know. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know. I don't know. Major tip, if you're gonna do this, I would say that this is common sense. I have my moments, but definitely take your jewelry off if you're gonna do this, because it will heat up. It will heat up and it will burn your neck. Not an expert, but that is how the first layer looks. You can see it has a little bit of bounce to it, nothing crazy. It's pretty much just straight. There's another end right here, just very small, and just kind of twist it under, and that's what's gonna hopefully give us the volume. And of course I'm gonna do the crown of the head last, because that's where we're gonna put the curlers in. Okay, now everything that's left in this little ponytail section, this is all going into rollers. While your hair is nice and hot, you're gonna put the curler on. It's gonna set it, and it's gonna give you that. So just make sure all this middle piece goes in curlers. My press on is so close to falling off. It's like not even funny. Like I'm trying to be so careful because I just ran out of nail glue. I do not want to fall off, please, before I'm done with this video. And you can give it like a little spray at this point if you want. It's a little guide. Nothing too crazy. We can spray it after we're done. We're gonna flip our hair around, do the 9. We're literally almost done. All I have to do is my bang pieces. And this is taking me so far like about maybe 20 minutes. Especially to go from wet hair to dry hair and styled, not bad. So while I kind of let everything set for a second, I'm just gonna tease the hair. And this is just me using only this tool. Usually I like to use a curling iron, but you're gonna see what this looks like when I take all the rollers out. It's still gonna look good, but I love using a curling iron. I love using a curling iron. I'll put a comparison. I was not happy with this at first. I was literally gonna return it. But after using it a few times, I'm not as salty about it, and we're gonna see what the end result looks like. I will say it definitely does come out more silky when you use this than if I just use a curling iron and just brush it out. But you lose some of that bounce and some of that little, you know, that little flip that I like. When you have thin hair, you have to tease. It's like, there's no choice. You don't have to set them for too long. I'm literally gonna start taking mine out. So these ones have been there since, obviously since we got done with those pieces. And then the front pieces have been there for like maybe 10 minutes. Can you see? Can you see the bounce? So right here is where it's like a little crunchy, but then, okay, maybe, but not then. Oh, okay. Well. She said, make her look stupid. All right. Smooth. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my comb and just finesse the hair a little bit. I've been wearing a middle part so much that my hair is now trained to do a middle part. You can see here I've got a little bit of flip to the bang. A little bit, not crazy, just a little bit. I like crazy though, that's the problem. Okay, maybe I just have to toss it up a little bit and add some hairspray. Cause she's not doing it for me. This isn't giving me very much seasoning. It is okay, it's not bad, but it's just not great either. So I don't know, guys. I mean, once again, like I said, a great tool to have. I don't like despise the fact that I bought it or like regret it. It's a good tool to have, especially if you're in a hurry. Like, I don't know, you're running late to the airport and your hair is completely wet and you gotta take a shower before you go. And it's like, okay, well, what am I gonna do? How often do you go to the airport? It's a good tool to have if you're running late because you can go from wet to dry hair and it's already styled for you. You don't have to pull out any other tools. If this is a hairstyle that you really like and you like the simplicity and the, you know, the little look of it without much flippy dippies, then definitely buy it. I'll leave a link down below in the description, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and give this like maybe a 3.5 stars out of 5. It's not horrible. I think for a lot of people, and especially people with longer hair, I've seen it work really well. It gives you like a little flip. It gives you everything. For me, it's not giving me everything. If I had more layers, I think it would give me more. I think it would give me a lot more. Because I did have layers and it was giving me a little bit of Rachel, a little bit of Monica, you know? Okay, we're gonna try a middle part. Okay, what about middle part? Or at least this side's giving me, you know, something. Let me know down below in the comments. What are you thinking? Middle part or side part? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've tried this tool before, let me know down below in the comments as well. And yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out my other hair videos that are like kind of mediocre but alright. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.